So today we're working on 5.2.5. What if there are more than two events? Probability trees. In this lesson, you're going to work with different models for organizing possible outcomes of multiple events when both one event and the other occur. Through this lesson, use these questions to help focus your team's discussion. Is there more than one event? Do both one event and the other events occur? Are the events independent? So we're going to skip 5-65 and we're going to move into 5-66. So it says Scott's job at the Crazy Creations ice cream shop is to design new ice cream flavors. The company has just received some new ingredients and Scott wants to be sure to try all of the possible combinations. He needs to choose one item from each category to create the new flavor. So we have the three combinations here. So we have a base flavor of vanilla or chocolate, a chunky mix-in of hazelnut sprinkle or toffee bits. And toffee bits, a lot of kids were asking me what's toffee, and toffee is hard candy that is kind of like cooked caramel of sorts. So think of like a Skor bar or a Heath bar. That's toffee. Apricot fruit swirl, plum, berry, and grape fruit swirls. So all of these are the fruit swirls. Okay, so he needs to choose one from each of these categories to make them. So what I want you to do is I want you to, in a moment, you're going to pause the video and you're going to list 3 different combinations Scott could try. Make sure you use the word and. So that's part of that systematic list. Then share your combinations with we're going to share our combinations together. I'm going to do the same thing. And then we're going to figure out how many different combinations do we find. Do you think you found all of the possibilities? So right here on your page, right here, you're gonna write base and mix-in and fruit swirl. Base and mix-in and fruit swirl. Base and mix-in and fruit swirl. Okay, so you're gonna write that right here. Go ahead and pause the video now and come back and we will compare together. All right, you're back. So I hope you have your 3 combinations written down. I have mine, so here we go. So we're going to compare. So we're looking for how many different combinations. So if you and I have any of the same ones, then that would only be one combination, not 2. So for mine, I have chocolate and hazelnut and berry, chocolate and sprinkles and berry, chocolate and hazelnut and plum. So if you found any that are the same as mine, we can only count it once. But if they're all different than mine, that means we would have found 6 different combinations. So count up how many we have, write it right here. How many different combinations do we have? So did we find all of the possible combinations? No way, there's way more than that. So we didn't find all of those possibilities. Okay,